Namaskaram, welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. Here we are for the GlideRecord use case 2. And the use case is write a script to show how many roles that current logged in user have. For this part, we need to write a background script with the help of GlideRecord API to fetch how many roles the current logged in user has. Let's dive into the PDA. Click on Filter Navigator, or you can search with history, or we can type something called as scripts background. Under system definition, we have background scripts or scripts background. And we need to write the script here to check how many roles will consist of with the current logged in user. For the time saving purpose, I'm writing the script in a quick way. And by this script, we'll get the count of how many roles will consist of by current logged in user. In the first line, we are gliding a table called sys underscore user underscore has underscore role, which stores all the information of the roles which are consumed by the users. And by add query, we are getting the details into the user by using a method called get user id, which gets the details of the current logged in user. And then we have the query method to query with the given queries, and we are just declaring in the while loop to get the count plus plus. And we have a printing called gs.info where it prints the count variable. Let's check by clicking on run script, then see how it works. It takes some time because to check how many rows it consists of, and the result will be the output called as current user role count is 129. Okay, let's check whether he consists of 129 roles or not. For that, I'm just opening the user table or user list view in the next tab. And let's search with the name called admin, as the name of the system administrator is starts with admin. Let's open the user ID. And if you scroll down, you will see 129 roles are assigned to this user called system administrator, the current login user. Like you will see the different types of role names here. If you want to print the role names also, we can write a simple line to get the complete row, the role names of the current login user. Further, we need to write something called as gs.info and the variable name gr.role. Get display value. It will display the values for us. And if I click on run script, then it will display the complete names of the roles for this current logged in user. You'll see. And finally, the count of the roles, like 129. Okay. Like that's it for today. Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind.